Hi guys, I'm jumping on real quick before I head out to my second tennis match of the day, but I really wanted to share this with you. I've tried to make this video twice, so pardon me. I hope it works this time. I want to share with you how I make my fiber bomb recipe. What is a fiber bomb? Well, I made that term up. You've heard of fat bombs. It's sort of like a fat bomb, only this is designed to eat before you eat anything else. Anytime you're gonna have a meal, go ahead and have a spoonful of this amazing fiber bomb recipe, and it will help control your glucose spikes. By putting that fiber in your gut first, having vegetables after that fiber bomb, prioritizing protein and fats next, and waiting until you've layered those things into your gut before you put any starches or complex carbohydrates, and then sugars if you're still hungry. This has been huge. I learned this while I was wearing that LINGO continuous glucose monitor. Mind blown. Seriously, everyone needs to do that. If you haven't seen my video on that, check it out. I'll link it at the end of this video. I would do that again and again. I would recommend it to anyone who's serious about learning what these foods are doing to your system, because it is not the same for everyone. My husband and I did this together, and what affected his body and how it affected his body was not the same as mine. It is a must-do if you're a science geek like me who cares about being the healthiest you can possibly be. Plus, it's a little bit fun. So, without further ado, here is my fiber bomb recipe. These are the ingredients I used. Basically, I just looked up everything that was high in fiber that I thought might taste good together. I bought it in bulk. I cut it all up or mix it all together in 2 big plastic Ziploc bags. This helps me store it. It also is convenient and conducive to traveling. I can just fill up a little quart-sized bag with some of this mixture, bring it along with me wherever I'm traveling, and add my water when I get there. I do add maybe a drop or two full of sweet leaf stevia because it is sort of like a treat for me, and I don't eat many things that are sweet. So I really enjoy this and look forward to having a spoonful before every meal that I make. So try it out. Let me know what you think, and enjoy. Thanks again. Okay guys, here are the ingredients to my fiber bomb recipe. I will have all the links in the description box on where I purchased these. Be sure to follow the mixing directions that I've added at the end of this video, because that way your fiber bomb recipe is guaranteed to turn out the way it should.